Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Electrical Hub. So today's our topic is what is MCB, what is MCCB and what is RCCB. This topic is quite general to everyone, but I know that many of us have very less knowledge about this topic. So today I would like to elaborate this topic and let's start. MCB, MCCB and RCCB, which is also called ELCB, are circuit breakers, but all of them are designed for serving a specific purpose. Before knowing about the difference among all, let's get to know about them a little bit. Let's start with MCB. MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. It automatically switches off electrical circuit during any abnormal condition in electrical network such as overload or short circuit conditions. However, fuse may sense this condition, but it has to be replaced through MCB can be reset. The MCB is an electromechanical device which guards the electric wire and electrical load from overcurrent so as to avoid any kind of fire or electrical hazards. Handling MCB is quite safer and it quickly restores the supply. When it comes to house application, MCB is the most preferred choice for overload and short circuit protection. MCB can be reset very fast and don't have any maintenance cost. MCB work on bimetal perspective principle, which provides protection against overload current and solenoid short current. MCCB stands for molded case circuit breaker. It is another type of electrical protection device which is used when load current exceeds the limit of miniature circuit breaker. The MCCB provides protection against overload, short circuit faults, and it's also used for switching the circuits. It can be used for higher current rating and fault level even in domestic applications. The wide current rating and high breaking capacity in MCCB find their use in mechanical applications as well as in industrial applications. MCCB can be used for protection of capacitor bank, generator protection, and main electrical feeder distribution. It offers adequate protection whenever an application requires discrimination, adjustable overload setting, or earth fault protection. So now we all know that is MCB and what is MCCB. Let's find out what is the difference between both MCB and MCCB. So first of all, there is a difference between its stands, where MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker, whereas MCCB stands for molded case circuit breaker. MCB rated current are not more than 125 ampere, whereas MCCB rated current are up to 1600 ampere. Its interrupting current rating is under 10K ampere, which is I am talking about MCB, and the interrupting current of MCCB rating current is ranges from 10K ampere to 85K ampere. And talking about the judging of their power capacities, MCB is mainly used for low breaking capacity requirement, mainly domestic purpose, whereas MCCB is mainly used for both low and high breaking capacity requirements, mainly uses in industrial purpose. Till now we have already talked about MCB and MCCB and what are the difference between them. So now let's talk about RCCB. RCCB stands for residual current circuit breaker. This residual current device is basically an electrical wiring device that disconnects the circuit whenever there is leakage of current flow through the human body or the current is not balanced between the phase conductor. It is the safest device to detect and trip against electrical leakage current, thus ensure protection against electric shock caused by direct contacts. RCCB is generally used in series with an MCB, which protects them from overcurrent and short circuit current. Both phase and neutral wires are connected through RCCB devices. These are an extremely effective form of shock protection and widely used for protection from a leakage current of 30, 100 and 300 milliampere. It is essential life-saving equipment used to protect the human body from electrical and is mandatory in many states for domestic installation. Now let's talk about ELCB. ELCB stands for Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker. They have the same function as RCCB but are voltage sensor devices. However, this is an old technology and is not in common use. RCCB, being a current sensitive device, have a better advantage over ELCB. So now let's see what are the differences between ELCB and RCCB. The first big difference between RCCB and ELCB is their full form. RCCB stands for Residual Current Circuit Breaker, whereas ELCB stands for Electric Leakage Circuit Breaker. RCCB is a new name and refers to current operated device, whereas ELCB refers to voltage operated earth leakage device. RCCB ensures 100% detection of leakage current and is available to sense the AC as well as DC leakage current, whereas ELCB is not preferable as it can only detect current that flow back through the main earth wire. RCCB has no connection with the earth wire, and that's why it can trip when both currents mean phase and neutral, are different and its width stands up to both the current are same. Whereas ELCB is working based on a earth's leakage current. This device measured the voltage on the earth conductor. If this voltage was not zero, this indicated a current leakage. So now we have a clear vision of what is RCCB, what is ELCB, what is MCB and what is MCCB. So now we can elaborate and have a much more knowledge than earlier that what is the difference between and similarities between this type of circuit breakers. Thank you.